What is it?
It's
It's
a
a
bird.
bird. That's
Bird.
correct. It's a bird. What color is it? What color?
Blue.
Yes, very good. Its color blue. Okay, let's say it's a
It's a
blue.
cup.
Okay,
Blue
one
bird.
more. It's a blue bird. Say it's blue.
A blue
It's
bird.
a blue bird. Say it's
It's a blue bird.
yes, very good. It's a bluebird. Nice. Thank you, my student. Let's see. Look, a
A bird.
bird.
It's
It's a
a
bird.
bird.
Okay.
It's
It's
a
a
bird.
bird.
It's a bird.
Yes.
It's a
It's
bird.
a bird.
A bird. A
A
bird.
bird.
A bird.
Bird.
It's
It's
a
a
bird.
bird. There. Thank you. Now here, let's see. Look,
It's
it's
a
a
bird.
bird.
It's
It's
a
a
bird.
bird.
It's
Say
a bird.
please. It.
It's a bird.
Yes, correct. It's a bird. Well done. Now, what color is the bird?
Red,
What color?
yellow,
Yes.
green, blue.
Yes, very good. Its color red, green, yellow, and blue. Minted. Okay. Now, is it a bird? Yes or no?
No,
No. What's this?
it's a dog.
It's a dog. Very good. It's a dog. How about this one? Oh, wait. It doesn't show up here. How about this? Is this a bird? Yes or no?
No,
No. What is it? Hmm.
this
It's,
is
it's,
the
it's,
cat.
it's a, it's,
Cat.
gul, it's a cat.
It's a cat.
Yes, fantastic. It's a cat. You've got another prize from 5 Talk, a golden trophy. Congratulations. Nice. Thank you. Now, my student, do you like bird? Yes or no? Do you like bird?
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
yes, that's great. Amazing. Now, do you have a bird? Do you have a bird? Yes or no?
no,
No, me too. I
no,
don't have. Okay, say no, I don't. Say
no, I don't.
okay. It's no. It's all right. Now here, let's see what's in the hat. Okay, please click, click. Okay, what is it? Say
It's a bird.
yes. It's a bird. Great.
Great.
Click, click next. Come on. Wow. What is it? It's
It's a, it's a bird.
fantastic. It's a bird.
Good job.
Okay, click next, please. Go, click. Mm-hmm. You can't click? I can't click on my end as well. Oh, there. What is it? It's
It's a bird.
yes, so great. It's a
Good
A
bird.
job.
bird.
Thank you, my student. Give me a high five to teacher. High five. Okay, very well. You've got another prize from 5 Talk. Here's a prize for you. You've got a burger. A burger from 5 Talk. Congratulations. That's very good. Now here, let's listen and click. Okay? Click. Three, two, one, go. Okay, come on.
It's a
Okay,
cat.
cat. Where's the
It's a
cat?
cat.
Click, click, click,
It's a cat.
click.
It's a cat.
Okay, good.
It's a
Okay,
dog.
dog. Where's the
It's a
dog?
dog.
Come on.
It's
You
a
can do
dog.
it. Nice. Good.
It's a
Bird,
bird.
bird, bird. Wow. Congratulations. Very good. Thank you so much, my student. Great. Now here, let's listen and read.
It's a
What is
cat.
it? It's a... Say,
It's a,
it's a cat. How
It's
about
a
this?
dog.
It's a dog.
it's a dog.
Correct.
It's a
It's a
bird.
bird. Say, it's a bird.
It's a bird.
Nice. Awesome. Look at this, my student. What is it? What is it?
Bird.
Bird? Are you sure? is is it a bird? Are you sure, my student? Is it a bird?
No.
No, what is
No.
it? What is it? What is it?
Trumpet.
Huh? Pardon? Cat.
It's
A
that.
cat. How about this? This one. What is it?
It's a
A
dog.
dog. How about this? What is it?
It's a
A
bird.
bird. Perfect job. It's a bird. Congratulations. Nice job, my student. Now here, we're almost done. Let's click and say, click, click. Oh, what is it? What is it?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Good.
It's a cat.
Congratulations. What's this?
It's a
A
bird.
bird. Almost there. What is it?
It's a
A
dog.
dog. Congratulations, my student. Give me a high 10 to teacher. High 10. Okay, Mimtaz, you've got another prize from 5-1 Talk. You've got 2 magical stars from 5-1 Talk. Congratulations. Nice. Now here, let's go. Let's
Please
listen.
find all the hidden
Okay, let's
animals.
find all the hidden animals. Okay, there are 7. Please click.
It's a
What is
duck.
it? It's a...
It's a dog.
Okay, one more. It's a duck. Can you say?
Dog.
Okay, can you say the sound of a
It's
duck?
a dog.
Say quack, 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 quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack,
Can you say it? Say quack,
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 quack.
quack, quack.
Yes, correct. It's like that. Okay, now here, let's see. Ta-da! For a moment. Oh, click. Go now. Click. Okay,
It's
what
a
is it?
dog.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
It's
dog.
a dog. Click next. Go. Click. My student, click.
It's a
Oh, what is
monkey.
it? It's a monkey.
Monkey.
It's a monkey. Great. Click. Click next. Click.
It's
Oh,
a
it's a...
rabbit.
What is it?
Rabbit.
Mm-hmm. It's a rabbit. That's right. It's a rabbit. Good. Okay, click. Click next. Come on. We're
It's a
done with the
rabbit.
rabbit. Okay, click the cat. Cat. Cat, please.
It's a
Oh, we
rabbit.
we are done with the rabbit. Click cat. Cat.
It's a
Mm-hmm.
bird.
You say it's a bird.
It's a
Yes,
bird.
it's a bird. And the last one, cat. Click the cat, please. Can you try to click the cat? This
It's
there.
a
Say
cat.
it's a cat. Say
It's a
correct.
cat.
It's a cat. Congratulations to you, my student. We are done with today's lesson. Can you call your mommy? Is mommy there? Call mommy. Okay,
Yes.
call Umi. Umi. Go.
Please call your parents over.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
there. Mommy's there. Hello, mommy. Assalamualaikum. Good
Hi, hello.
afternoon. My name, Anna Ismi, teacher Vengean from 5-1 Talk. Thank you, Mommy. Your child did well. Mimtaz today's lesson, Mommy, and she participated a lot today. Thank you. Yes, so here are the words and the sentences that your child learned today. So read after me. Please say, eats a cat. Say,
It's
eats
a
a
cat.
dog. Say,
It's a
goodness.
dog.
Eats a bird.
It's a
Okay,
bird.
it's a duck. It's a monkey.
It's a dog. It's the
It's
monkey.
a monkey. Next, it's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
Yes, perfect job. Congratulations, my student. Are you still here, mommy? You're still here? Okay,
Yes.
mommy. So thank you once again.
Join us and learn
Yes, so
more
her level,
about
mommy, is
animals.
level 0, okay? She participated a lot today's class and she's very good with vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, mommy. Very well with the 3 skills. Yes. However, mommy, we need to focus more with her speaking and also her grammar, okay? So for grammar, sometimes
Okay.
when I ask her to read it's a, she said this okay? So this and
So,
its are different, okay? Yes. So we will use this is if we're referring to an object which is near to us, okay? Yes, but if we're using it's
okay.
we're referring to a pet or even or an animal, okay? Yeah, so we say it's a cat. Okay, say it's.
It's a
Yeah, so
cat.
don't forget to read the correct grammar, my dear, okay? And also, we need to say, do you like a dog? We say, yes, I do. Not only yes, okay? We say, yes, I do. Say, yes.
Yes, I
Yes, yes, I do. Thank you, mommy. And mommy, my suggestion, continue to study level 0 courses here at 5-1 Talk for your child so that she will improve faster with her skills with speaking, grammar, and also reading. Okay? Yes, and I'm so happy
okay,
to
thank
see
you.
her, mommy, and I want to be part of her English journey next class. Okay? Yes. Thank you,
Okay,
mommy, and my student. We will talk more about animals next time. Okay? Goodbye. Goodbye.
okay.
Masalama. Bye. Shukran. See you.